make a coffee. Okay, I'm finally done with everything that I need to do for the channel. So now we can deal with all this mess. I'm gonna have my last few sips because I think from here up is like really watered down. So, but yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys the state of my room now, and then we'll get started. Okay, we have this corner. Huge mess. The bookshelf is fine. I just want to do something about the top. I feel like it's so messy. Obviously the chair is a huge mess. As you can see, I still have my Christmas pillowcase and my Christmas plushies. Mess over here, of course. Big mess. I'm going to take down the Christmas tree, get rid of all the Christmas stuff, some shoes, my little messy storage cart. My desk is a mess. My nail shelf, however, is very nice and neat and put together. Can empty out the trash. My bathroom is a mess too, and the mirror is all smudged. And then my bed is unmade and has a bunch of clothes on it, and I need to clear off my desk. So, as you see, we have a lot of work to do. So grab a drink, grab a snack, get comfy cozy, sit down, and enjoy. Let's get started. I got a package. So I got some storage drawers to go in here. This is the biggest one. I'm nervous. Ooh! It'll fit. Yay! Okay. And if I stack it, it'll fit too. Let's go. All right. I thought that this was the end, but I'm in the trees. I'm in the trees. I don't want to break it. I feel like I'm gonna. Did I get it? I did. Yay. Good morning. Okay guys, let me know how the back looks. It's just so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, ignoring the mess on the chair there because that's my Depop stuff that I need to sell, and ignoring those things there. Everything else is nice and neat and put away. Hey guys. Whoa, very yellow. It's time to deal with this monstrosity. My makeup bag came in. I'll show you guys. This is the makeup bag. Isn't it so cute? I think I'm gonna buy another to hold my laptop charger so that I can take it in and out of my bag easier, because this is like the perfect size. But I'm gonna go through my makeup and I'm only gonna keep what fits in this bag. The rest, gone, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and tidy up, and then we'll go through the makeup. Oh God, where do I start? Okay, I've decided this is everything I'm getting rid of because there's not a lot of space. Oh, that doesn't fit. There's not a lot of space in here. I managed to zip it, and I got rid of even more of the lip products. Yeah. But now I'm gonna deal with this mess. I'm exposing myself. There's a lot of hair because I shed like crazy. But we're gonna clean this mess, and then we're gonna go through our skincare shelf. Okay guys, let's go through our skincare. So we're keeping this. This is my eczema lotion. I have to use it. Keeping the moisturizer, keeping the toner. I'm keeping this. I like to use it around my eyes. Keeping this acne cream. It's the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Cream. This is for summertime if I burn. All right, let's speed this up. Ooh, I gotta do my mirror too. Hey guys. Okay. So, blue light glasses. So I crocheted this cute little square pouch. It only took me 30 minutes, not bad. But I wanted to use it for my lip products. Mostly the glosses, I don't even know. Some of them might not even fit in here. So let's test it. It closed all the way. Perfect fit. I'm glad because I didn't measure it. School bag. I really want to use this bag that my sister got while out thrifting. She bought it for me. Well, technically I paid her back, but you know, she got it for me. And so I kind of want to use this as my school bag. So I need to test if my laptop fits in it, as if I didn't just need it for the lighting. Okay, hold on. Look at how perfect. You're joking. My iPad, it's at 100 right now. I'm gonna leave it that way, but I'm gonna stick it in my bag. Okay, in this back pocket, I'll put these Cube and AirPods. A cord for this and for my iPad. Oh, I freaking love it, you guys. It's literally like the most stunning bag in the world. And it's got these side pockets and this little back pocket. Oh, you're choking. What? I didn't know this was here. Okay, camera died. Let's see if my iPad fits in this new hidden pocket, because that would be really great, honestly. So close, but not quite. Oh well. All right, all that's in here so far is a notepad, sticky notes, and some lead. That's what it's called, lead. There we go. We have 2 black, 2 blue, a pencil, and 2 highlighters. The last thing we're gonna do is nails, but that will be after my shower, so I will see you guys in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys. Okay. These are the nails. I don't know if I already showed these actually, but I'm showing them again just in case. These are the nails. They are cat eye. Like clear tips with cat eye and then white with cat eye. And they're so cute, so wintry. Trying to make sure my nails are like fully dry before I put these on, because I don't want to get a greenie. They're on and they're gorgeous. But they are very painfully, hold on, I'm just gonna press lightly, okay? They're very sharp. So I'm gonna take my personal file and just, oh, that's so much better. I like, it is just so shiny. Yeah, so shiny. Ooh. Okay guys, midnight, which means we're officially done with the New Year's reset. I'm really happy with what I was able to get done. I wish I could have gotten done a little bit more, but you know, I just wanted to do all this before I go back to school literally tomorrow, because I know I will not have time once like everything picks back up, because work and nails and school and YouTube. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked the video. Please let me know what you thought and what your favorite part was. Let me know if you want to see more content like this, or just any content you want to see in general. Like, comment, subscribe, the works. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.